Maria has now convinced all those 7 children that she is their friend. She will teach them how to sing, and just maybe they might learn how to play and have fun again. Maria even solves the huge problem like having no play clothes. She takes that beautiful fabric from the drapes of her room and makes and customs play clothes for all 7 of the Von Trapp children. She can't understand that children of that age are not allowed to play, only march. They answer to a whistle, and laughter has been absent from their house for many years. But she is determined to allow them to be children. So Maria comes up with a plan. She will take them to the market. They will pack a basket, filling it with fresh fruits and vegetables, and plan a day that these 7 children will never forget. A picnic where the children can run and have fun and maybe even learn how to sing.
Children, isn't it a wonderful day for a picnic?
Yeah! Come on, Kurt, let's go play ball.
Father doesn't let us do this.
No. Maria, could we do this every single day?
Now, don't you think we'd get tired of it?
I suppose so.
We haven't had so much fun since we put glue on Fräulein's toothbrush.
I can't understand why children so nice play such awful tricks on people.
How else can we get Father's attention?
Oh, I see. Well, we'll think about that one. Why don't we think of a song to sing for your father and the Byars when they return? All right, everyone over here.
But wait, what are we doing?
Let's think of a song.
Father doesn't like us to sing.
Well, perhaps we can change his mind.
We don't know how to sing.
Not anything? Well, you must learn. You will learn. Let's start at the very beginning. A very good place to start. When you read, you begin with
A, B, C.
When you sing, you begin with do, re, mi.
Do, re, mi.
Do, re, mi. The first 3 notes just happen to be do, re, mi.
Do, re, mi.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. Let's see if I can make this easier. Do, a deer, a female deer. Re, a drop of golden sun. Mi, a name I call myself. Far, a long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread. La, a note to follow. So, tea, a drink of jam and bread. That will bring us back to do. Oh, oh, oh. Do, a deer, a female deer. Ray, a drop of golden sun. Me, a name I call myself. Far, a long, long way to run. So, a needle pulling thread. La, a note to follow. So, tea, a drink with jam and bread. That will bring us back to do. A deer, a female deer. Ray, a drop of golden sun.